Hello my lovely viewers, welcome again to the Luck Mom's kitchen. Today I want us to do something new. We want to make eggplant sandwich. Yeah, so what do we need? This is it. I'm doing for breakfast. Let's do it together. You can try this at home too. This is my eggplant. I have my 2 eggs here, and I have a toast. This is my toast for pieces of slice, and then I have my cheese. This is my sliced cheese. So let's see what to do. I know somebody might wonder why eggplant. What is the importance of eggplant? This eggplant, it has a vitamin A and C that protect the damage of cells in the body, and it also has a chemical phenolphthalein. This chemical helps in processing sugar in your body. For instance, in case you have diabetes, this is the best. It can help you. It produces that chemical that will help you process sugar in your body. So today this is nutrition fact I have also decided to share. So let's do it. What next? I have to wash this first, then follow the procedure till the end, and don't forget to like this video, then subscribe for more kitchen tips. So first I have to wash this eggplant. I've already washed this. Now I want to cut it circular, into circles, round, not too big slice. Okay, then I have to break my eggs. When I break my eggs, I use the fork. This fork is good when you mix. It is good in mixing. To add salt. Step 2, I've already cut this eggplant, and now this is what I need. Don't forget that I already have my sliced egg. But what next from here? Let's go to the next step. I want to deep fry this eggplant. After I've cut it round, I have to put it in hot oil. This is my hot oil inside the fire already have put. So I'll just deep fry them. I just deep fry this eggplant. This eggplant can be cooked in many ways, but this is one of the ways. You can cook it with soup. But for this one, for breakfast. Let us see how it's played. When it turns brown, it's ready. So after turning brown, I just take it out. Okay, this is the exact color when it's ready. Now this one is ready. I can just take it out. This is the brown color I wanted. So it's ready. Make sure it's dry very well, because you don't want a lot of oil. this is now we are done with the eggplant after deep frying. Now let me switch off my fire. Okay, this is step 3. Okay, this is the third step now. I have already deep fried my eggplants. So next I'll do my egg. I'm going to do my omelette on my hot pan. Then we see what's next. This is my hot pan with a little oil. I have to spread it with my brush here. I want to put my egg here. Yeah, this is hot pan. This is the fourth step. We're almost done. My egg is done. I don't want it to turn brown. It will be done. So I'll just cut it into 4. Okay. Like this. Okay, remember now, after doing these 4 pieces of egg, you take one piece like this. You arrange this eggplant on top of the egg, just like this. 2 of them. 2 of them. You arrange this over. You remember the sliced cheese we had? So after this, take your sliced cheese. Open your sliced cheese. And put it on the top of eggplants. Okay, this is how it will look after you've put your cheese. So take the other piece, put on top of the, like this, with the egg, and this one like this. Now direct to the pan. You take it direct after you have put it like this. Come to the pan direct, put it on the hot pan, but on low heat. Let's see the end result. Okay, this is exactly the end result. What do you think? Did you enjoy the video? Okay, after that, now we'll just cut it diagonal to make a love triangle. Yeah, then I'll just, you can see how it looks. Then I can just arrange for my loved ones. Yeah, now I can serve it with tea or juice. It's now on the table. Now it's good. You can eat, you can enjoy with your family. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and then subscribe to this channel for more kitchen tips. I love you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.